TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut, and welcome to a really quick tutorial today. We're going to take a look inside of Illustrator and how to change the global colors of an entire document or just an entire selection. It is up to you. So you can see here that this is the same piece of artwork, but every single color here has been changed whilst retaining the color harmony between those different colors. Very simple to do, very quick and very powerful tool as well. So let's just get rid of this, and the first thing I'm going to do is just duplicate this original artwork here. Very simple. Make sure you have everything you need selected like so, and come up to Edit Colors, and Recolor Artwork. Now, if you've watched a few of my other tutorials, you may have been here before. You can, if you want to, click a single color like this yellow, for example, and change it to a different color. Now, if that's what you want, great. But if you want to edit the whole thing globally and within harmony, you do the same process, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork, but instead you move over to this Edit tab here. This brings up the color wheel. Now, if I click any of these individually, I can click and drag them and start to change individual colors, okay, like so. Or I can click this little link option to link the harmony colors. And what that means is when I change this first one, the rest of the colors are going to change too. And whether I increase or decrease saturation of any of these points, it's going to retain all of that information. Okay, so perhaps I can twist this around to be like so. If you want to edit the hue, saturation, brightness, that sort of thing globally, you can do that as well. You just need to go down to this little burger option here. Now, if I did this at the moment, I could edit the saturation of a single color, for example. Because we have it linked, the saturation for all of these is going to change, and that's only going to affect the saturation. If I choose this little burger icon here and go down to Global Adjust, I can globally adjust the saturation, brightness, temperature, and luminosity of the entire document. So bringing it all the way down, cranking it up even a little, maybe decreasing the brightness, increasing the temperature, decreasing it, that sort of thing. Okay, so there you go. You globally adjust the entire colors within harmony for an entire document. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you all next time.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.